Good morning, my dear students. How do you do? Hope you all are good. Shall we start our class? Okay. In the last class, we have studied about resources. What is a resource? Anything that have a utility or usability or anything which satisfy our needs, the human needs, is termed as resource. Today we are going to study about the different types of resources. There are three types of resources: natural resources, man-made resources and human resources. It's so easy to understand what all this from their names itself. We have studied about it in our previous classes. So let's start. There are many gifts that we have drawn from our nature. The air we breathe, the water in the lakes, the trees, the birds, and all the things that we have drawn from the nature are called natural resources. The natural resources are the resources occurred in the nature itself. We are using it directly without much modifications. We can use it without any alteration. So these resources are known as natural resources. Secondly, there are some substances in our nature which we can use only after an alteration or making any changes to them. Then only that substance become a resource. These resources are known as human-made resource. It is clear from the name itself, human-made. It is made by men. That change is made by men on the natural resources. For example, the iron ore was not a resource until the people learned how to extract iron from that. We all know water is a natural resource. But we are storing water in dams and used it for producing electricity. So, by using the natural resource, we are making another resource, that is electricity. Likewise, by using the natural resource wind or tide, these all we are using to produce electricity, which is a man-made resource. Now I think it's clear now, right? There are many things that we are using by making alterations or by making changes on its original form. They are known as man-made resources or human-made resources. Next we are moving to the third one, the human resources. The human resources are the people themselves. I am a resource. You are a resource. I have told it in our previous class itself, right? You are the resource for your parents and for your society. Now, you may think, how a human become a resource? I will give you the answer. The abilities, the skills, the talents, the capabilities, the intelligence, that all people are differ in their skills, right? All these skills are making a man to a resource. Okay. So, from the farmer to a scientist, everyone is a resource. People can make the best use of nature and create more resources only when he has the knowledge, the ability and the technology with him. That technology and ability and skill transform a man to a resource. The education we are giving to the people, the health facilities we are providing to the mankind are helping in making the best human resource ever. Now look at the board. The resources can be categorized into three: natural resources, human-made resources and human resources. Natural resources are gifts of nature. They are of direct use. We can use it without any alteration. Examples are water, air, trees, vegetables, fruits, whatever it is. You can find more examples on that, right? Then human-made resources, they are made by men. The alteration made in the natural resources are known as human-made resources. They are iron, buildings, roads, everything under. Whatever we are making, everything come under the human-made resources. Okay. The third one is human resources, which are people themselves. How they become a resource? How a man become resource? The skills, abilities, talents, attitudes, aptitudes, and the technology and the intelligence make him a resource. And now here's the activity for you. You have to select any one natural resource and list out all the possibilities or usages of that resource. Okay, I hope all you understand today's class. Catch you in the next class. Thank you.